Hey guys, today we're gonna play the Floor's Lava, and my friend Bryce is the one who's gonna play.
Alright.
And I'll just be talking.
He's really entertaining talking.
Yeah.
Right. Don't judge me if I'm bad because I'm never playing on computer.
Yeah. And also I also changed my skin back. N/A is our map. Look down. Look down. I'll do this for you, Bryce. Oh wait, I think you done figured out when heal. Hey guys.
I hacked the game, I think. It's either where all the hackers are. I don't know what to do. How do you train your body? Ow.
You know what? It'll just turn the mouse foot because no, I don't have my block anymore. Plus one mouse. Okay. And I'll be playing with a Rubik's Cube.
Not working.
Because you're not clicking and doing it.
Not working. Oh, what?
He lost.
It jumped off the map! What the crap? Let me go.
No, this time I will play.
He's so much better.
Yeah.
Mommy.
I'm so much better. Like, I'm better at computer.
I'm better at Switch.
And you're also better at tablet.
Oh yeah, tablet. Way better. Way better. Oh.
Okay? I think I got the highest point. Get it? Point? So, this is starting good.
He won.
Yeah. Not Bryce, then free. He jumped off a map. Okay, it's your turn. And I'll be talking about the channel. So, on this channel, we play Minecraft, but we haven't recorded a Minecraft video yet. Boys, I got a good idea. How about we hop on Minecraft? I haven't recorded a Minecraft video before.
I got the lowest.
Get to the highest point, boys.
Let me go up, girl.
You swimming in lava.
Let me go up. What's the crap?
I can do it for you. Oh, boys. You're a little bit raged. He's a little bit raged over here. So, we done pretty lost because of those stupid goals. But I'm sorry if you are watching this, but it was because of one person that did it. Oh yep, I we don't have enough time. Yeah, now we don't. Oh, I think I have enough time now. Because I died just when we got there. So I have enough time to do the second obby. This is a Basima!
Yeah, just scream a lot right now.
Okay.
Just scream.
No. I'm gonna complete my first obby. And it gives us 2 points. Yay. 2 points.
I wonder what's Wyatt.
Okay. My channel's Y Guy. Just type WIGUY.
Did you animate?
What?
You animate? What? You animated. Why did you say that? Because you animated.
So if you see a chin, my skin back. I might have already told you that. Get to the highest point. Get to the highest point.
I want to watch a live stream.
Okay, type live. Oh, I'm sorry. You can't watch my live stream. Hey, look what it's called. Look what it's called. Skateboard game when I had to do popcorn. Oh no, okay. Oh my god, help! Bryce, how will I survive? Give me a tip. Oh my god! Oh my god. I actually...
Why aren't you moving?
What?
Why aren't you moving?
Okay, go to one of my voice videos. That's not one of my voice videos, you know. Obby Mountain. So we have to do an obby to finish this. That's loud. He's watching one of my videos. My old videos. And I didn't have my voice in.
Oh, Wyatt, look at this skateboard. He's going down the middle. Whoa, that counts for me as doing 900.
Oh! I'm gonna play Minecraft because I haven't recorded a single Minecraft video yet. Okay, so let's get on.
The guy. Look at that! Oh! And he fell all the way down. Look at that! Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I thought he was going to fall. He's going on that way too late. Come on, be my video. I don't want to. How?
That person didn't know that's me now.
Look at that. She's young. Hey guys, welcome to Wyatt's YouTube channel.
This is the same video. Guess what? Boys,
Yeah.
Creeple. Oh man. No, don't crash me. Guys, I'm gonna show you my maze. I might actually not remember how to finish my maze. Yeah, here's my maze right here. Boys, do you like how I made... Bryce, do you like my maze?
Cool.
Bryce, do you like my maze? Bryce, do you like my maze? Look. Bryce, do you like my maze?
Yeah.
The stars. You know what's the funny part about this? Look at this. Bryce, you know what's the funny part about it? Look, the star is right here and the end is right here.
Look at that. He's hiding on the ice.
Did you get it, Ollie? Did he just do a kickflip on ice?
Yeah.
I don't even know what that trick was. Okay. Let me just try to do my maze. Just try. Start here. This is actually a maze. Yeah, if I can remember when I build this. The white part is here. You turn this way, yeah. You turn this way. Go over. Turn here. Yes, I'm in the upper part. Guys, I did put in. Okay, I got this. Yes, I beat it! Bye, guys.